Welcome to Bike Shift, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180, a premium maxi scooter designed for riders who want comfort, power, and modern technology in one stylish package. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 continues Suzuki's iconic maxi scooter design language with a sharper and more aerodynamic body. The wide front apron, sleek LED headlamp, and muscular side panels give it a big bike feel. The long and comfortable seat, along with premium paint finishes, makes the Burgman 180 stand out as a truly premium urban scooter. At the heart of the Suzuki Burgman 180 is a refined 180 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine tuned for smooth and responsive performance. This engine delivers strong low-end torque, making city riding effortless, while also offering stable cruising on highways. The CVT automatic transmission ensures seamless acceleration and a stress-free riding experience in daily traffic. Comfort is one of the strongest highlights of the 2026 Burgman 180. The long wheelbase, wide seat, and relaxed riding posture make it ideal for long commutes and touring. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb bumps easily, while the large wheels provide better stability and confident handling, even at higher speeds. Suzuki equips the Burgman 180 with a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, fuel level, trip data, and real-time mileage. Features like keyless ignition, USB charging port, and LED lighting add to its premium appeal. Safety is enhanced with front and rear disc brakes, along with single-channel or dual-channel ABS, depending on the variant. Despite its sporty design, the Burgman 180 remains highly practical. It offers generous underseat storage capable of fitting a full-face helmet and daily essentials. The front glove box adds extra convenience for small items, making it a perfect scooter for both daily use and weekend rides. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 is expected to deliver an impressive balance between performance and fuel efficiency. With optimized engine tuning, riders can expect a mileage suitable for daily commuting without compromising on power or comfort. The Suzuki Burgman 180 is expected to be positioned as a premium scooter in the market. While official pricing may vary by region, it is likely to attract riders looking for a stylish alternative to traditional motorcycles with automatic convenience. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 is a complete package for riders who want luxury, comfort, and performance in a scooter. With its powerful engine, premium features, and practical design, it sets a new benchmark in the maxi scooter segment. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more updates on upcoming bikes and scooters.